Did you know that millions of people struggle daily with keeping their blood sugar levels in check? It's a constant battle that can affect every aspect of life, from energy levels to overall well-being. Many people feel trapped in a cycle of fatigue, cravings, and health concerns, unsure of how to break free. The journey to a healthier life can feel overwhelming, but what if there was a natural and effective way to support your health and reclaim your energy? Imagine waking up each day feeling revitalized, ready to take on whatever comes your way, and knowing that you have a powerful ally in your corner. Introducing Sugar Defender, a revolutionary supplement designed to naturally balance your blood sugar levels, boost energy, and support overall wellness. This isn't just another supplement, it's a game changer for anyone looking to improve their health and vitality. Backed by cutting-edge science and natural ingredients, this powerful formula could be the key to transforming your health. Our team of experts has meticulously researched and selected each ingredient to ensure maximum efficacy and safety. What's inside the Sugar Defender that makes it so effective? Let's dive deeper. Each component has been chosen for its unique benefits and ability to work synergistically with the others. Chromium supports insulin sensitivity and helps manage blood sugar spikes. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in how your body processes carbohydrates and fats, making it a cornerstone of our formula. Cinnamon bark extract. Packed with antioxidants, it's a powerhouse for reducing oxidative stress and promoting better glucose metabolism. This ancient spice has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and is a key player in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Gymnema Sylvestre, known as the sugar destroyer, it helps reduce sugar cravings and supports healthy insulin levels. This remarkable herb has been used in traditional medicine for its ability to block the taste of sugar, making it easier to resist sweet temptations. With Sugar Defender, you're not just managing your blood sugar, you're taking control of your energy, focus, and vitality. Imagine the freedom of living without constant energy crashes and sugar cravings, and the confidence that comes with knowing you're supporting your body in the best way possible. Whether you're working, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying life, this supplement helps you thrive. It's about more than just numbers on a glucometer, it's about enhancing your quality of life and making the most of every moment. Here's what makes Sugar Defender a game changer. It's not just about managing symptoms, it's about addressing the root causes of blood sugar imbalances and providing your body with the tools it needs to function optimally. Easy-to-take capsules that fit seamlessly into your routine. No complicated regimens or inconvenient dosages, just simple, effective support that you can rely on every day. 100% natural and safe, with no harmful side effects. You can feel confident knowing that you're nourishing your body with pure, high-quality ingredients that support your health without any unwanted surprises. Trusted by thousands who've already experienced incredible results. Join the growing community of people who have transformed their lives with Sugar Defender and see the difference for yourself. Ready to take the first step toward a healthier you? It's time to make a change and invest in your well-being. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make today. Don't wait, transform your life today with Sugar Defender. Embrace the opportunity to feel better, live healthier, and enjoy every moment to the fullest. Visit the website link in the description below to get your bottle today. Take the first step towards a brighter, healthier future. Your health is your greatest wealth. Invest in it wisely and reap the benefits for years to come. Let Sugar Defender be your partner in this journey. Together we can achieve a healthier, happier you. Click the website link in the description below and start living your best life today. Don't let another day go by without taking control of your health and well-being.